I gotta
Go.
say it like, okay, ready.
Go.
Blow so cold, I'm freezing. Wrapping around your head like it's breezing. Get these rhymes that are so sickly. Spitting the shit at you, it's deadly. Leave you bloody and beat it in the streets. Cop finds you, think it's a homicide. Rapping against me, it's a fucking suicide. Unlike you, when it comes to girls, I'm smashing and thrashing. These girls' pussies are collapsing. I'm sorry, Brandon. Are you hot? Here's some aspirin. I'm leaving you speechless, out of breath. This ain't no test. I'm done with this D&D quest. Who's next?
Oh, my turn now? Is it my turn? Alright. Don't let your hair make you think you the man of steel. I'm Native American, so you can get your scalp peeled. Guerrilla warfare will have you running for the hills. My niggas run up on you, you run and squeal. You a rat, so I'm getting rid of you like an exterminator. Just do what you do best, raiding the refrigerator. My word's so sharp, it cuts through you like a bone saw. My bar's so hard, it gives you lockjaw. I'm not trying to sound like a gangster at all. You keep talking about the bill and how you ball. Just admit it, you love the law. Keep acting ratchet, you'll end up on the missing persons wall. You keep saying, like a boss, I'll take you out like a crony. Remove your teeth and have your gums feeling lonely. Have you cry, look what he did to me, mommy. You may be fat, but your reputation is scrawny.